Good morning, Doctor. Our Group 4B are going to present the experiment proposal with the title of two-cup water flow, and our group members consist of Fu Yuheng, Quan Zhenyi, Lo Yongxuan, Lim Yaosheng, and Lim Yuwei.
My name is Lim Yuwei, and now I will explain about the objective of our experiment. So our objective of the experiment is to observe how the water flow from a cup with a higher position to a cup with a lower position and how the speed of a water flow change due to the potential difference. This is actually related to the Orifice experiment. Secondly, the objective is to identify the relationship between the height difference of two cups and the flow of velocity of the water using Bernoulli equation. And lastly, the objective of this experiment is to calculate the flow rate of water from a cup with a higher position to a cup with a lower position and the velocity of the water flow.
For the apparatus that used in this experiment, we need two plastic cups to conduct the experiment. Then, we need a small plastic straw to connect the two cups and allow the water flow through the cup from the higher position to lower position. Next, we need a stopwatch to record the time for the water to flow from an initial height of cup A to another cup. Then, we need a ruler to measure the height of the water level and the water as a medium. Next, we need a marker to mark the water level of the cup B after a certain time. And lastly, we need a bucket to collect the excessive water.
The equation that involved in our experiment is the Bernoulli equation, which is P1 plus rho V1 squared over 2 plus rho GH1 equal to P2 plus rho V2 squared over 2 plus rho GH2. Next, after when we assume that P1 equals to P2 and V1 equals to 0, so after derive you get the V2 equals to square root 2 GH1 minus H2. And beside that we have the continuity equation, which is the flow rate equal to velocity times with the area.
Hi, Doctor. I'm Quan Zhenyi, and I'm here to present the process of the experiment. Firstly, place a cup A in a high position and another cup with lower position than cup B. And then fill up cup A with water and mark the initial height of water level H1 while cup B is initially empty. So make sure both cups align vertically. And then insert the straw from bottom of cup A to cup B and cover the tip of straw by fingers to prevent the water flow. And another step is open the straw by release the finger to allow the water to flow from cup A to cup B. And then measure the time taken for the flow of water from cup A to certain level of cup B by using the stopwatch and record the height of water level in cup A, which is H2. And then repeat the step 1 to step 5 by varying the initial height of cup A and record all the data. So finally, calculate the flow rate and velocity of the water flow for each experiment. That's all for our proposal of our experiment. Thank you.